Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the concept of prompt engineering under 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. So you might be wondering, what exactly is prompt engineer? To understand that better, let's break the two words, prompt, engineer. In the context of AI, prompt is a command or a question or a statement that you give to AI for you to get a relevant information. Think of it like an input to get an output from the machine or AI product. Now, engineer, as you guys are familiar with, is someone who designs system, solves problems, and find inefficiency and make the systems better for whatever field they're in. In the context of AI, engineers will be someone who will be working with creating and redefining AI models. So if you combine these two words, prompt and engineer, you get someone who can master the art of sending right commands, right statement to AI to get the relevant information to whatever the desired outcome may be. So you might be wondering, why is this important? Why do we need prompt engineers? That's because AI, although it's super powerful and all that cool stuff, they still need our guidance to tell us what exactly we want from them, and that's where prompt engineers come in. So what exactly do prompt engineers do? They simply work on different techniques and experiment different inputs and questions and statements to get the right relevant helpful information from AI tools. Prompt engineers will play a vital role in applications such as customer support, content generation, or data analysis. So now let's look at a simple example to help you understand better. You're using AI assistant on a Saturday night to help you with a quick, simple recipe for vegetarian pizza. You might tell an AI tool to, what's a good recipe for vegetarian pizza? AI might provide you with a very complicated recipe or even non-veg pizza recipe that's not helpful for you. That's where prompt engineer comes in to redefine and fine-tune the prompts to get you the right answer. In this exercise, they might ask more specific questions, maybe something like, can you tell me step-by-step instructions to make simple vegetarian pizza under I have these set of ingredients. Within these set of ingredients, come up with the recipe, something along those lines. Very specific, very tailored statements, and this is done after countless testing, different questions and different statements. So thanks to prompt engineers work, you can now make your amazing veg pizza for your Saturday night. In real-world examples, prompt engineers work with data scientists, software developers, other technical teams to help them redefine the models that can help AI tool understand the prompts and give the right information. So how do you become a prompt engineer? How do you get into this field? There are various resources out there. I'm pretty sure you can search tons of resources, tons of online courses, material on YouTube and other channels that are helping in this field. And I don't think you need a degree or anything like that for now. It's more like you should have a strong aptitude of comp sci background and deep understanding of AI models in order to be good at this field. And obviously, I think linguistic will add value as well, because it's all about writing and setting the right command for the AI to understand and give you the best answer possible. That's it. There you have it. That's a 5-minute video on how what is prompt engineer and how you can get into this field. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions and comments, please comment below. And if you like my content, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family so I can continue making more for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.